Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check an email for spelling errors in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Review tab up at the top of the email in question, and you want to select the Spelling and Grammar button, and then it should run through all the different spelling errors you may have in the email, and it will give you suggestions under there. You also have the option of adding it to the dictionary if you are sure the word is spelled correctly. And if you want to change the word to its recommended spelling, which in most cases you would select the change button, and then go item by item for each one it finds. But other than that, we just had one error in our case. And you can see the spell check is complete. Select OK, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.